You had fun. You are so busy. So since you are so scared, manager came in. Where is your work? You don't have any work. Utilization rate is very important. I don't want to fire you because you don't have work. So I decided to give you a new work. Any bad intent? I came to you to help you. I know what happens though. So, do you see the similarity in the situation? Especially the multi-project situation? Does anybody know the requirement of second one?
No.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
First one is very clearly communicated. It's a first name order. What's the second one?
Hi.
Yeah. You're working very hard, but not everybody understood it. Because I only tell 1%. But they don't tell. Start working. Start asking. Okay, let's do. Please do this. You accept it without checking acceptance criteria. What was the third one? Okay, that is happening. So, okay, I use 20 minutes. It's good. I have another one. It's a Kaizen. It's a Japanese word. It says change for better. Change for good way. So many things, so many older implementation agile project, they usually say they're doing Kaizen. Always. But the result is basically usually look like this. So first starting in the project, the number of Kaizen increasing. They're trying new things, whatever. Okay, let's do TDD, let's do automation, let's do BDD, or let's make a daily stand-up, planning meeting, whatever. You're keeping doing something else. But sometimes after several iterations, okay, productivity goes up. But you're starting to feel tired. What happens if I let you do more than 10 minutes? You cannot do it. It's too hot outside. You're destroying your health. That's what happens. So usually they will go down. They'll stop doing Kaizen. Kaizen, you have to learn it. What is Kaizen? Kaizen is continuous improvement. You have to make the Kaizen very continuous. Okay, it means you have to be able to keep doing. You have to do the Kaizen 10 times more, 100 times more, 1,000 times more, million times more, or even more. What needs to be done? So 3 phases are here. So I quickly go in. The first things, okay, it's really not a Kaizen, it's a prerequisite of Kaizen. You have to fix leaks of your process. If you have a defect, you can repair it. You have to fix it. But if you keep, moving it, you're creating a defective product. And then you become so efficient creating product with defect, and at the same time you are so efficient fixing it. Oh, your utilization is great. Is that a great process? It exhausts you. So the things are, if it happens in the process, just we did, you have to stop it. Stop and observe. Let's say slow down or stop and observe what is happening. And then slowly try to move the process and then check for the effectiveness. Don't care about efficiency. Since I have the pressure of utilization rate, you are so afraid of losing efficiency, so you keep working. Okay, you are so efficient, but not effective. So this time, if you have a defect, you don't are really confident about your process. Efficiency doesn't matter. Yes, there are so many Kaizen consultants talking about improving efficiency. Forget it. Efficiency doesn't matter. We focus on effectiveness. So, very important thing is never try to do it fast. Do it slow. You can observe what is happening. And then, if you try to make it faster, still making it bad product, you are so efficient creating waste. And then you're very efficiently creating unnecessary work to fix it and clean it up. It's a waste. Like a software with bugs are waste, fix it. Test with bugs is causes more bad problem. Everybody say do it test automation. Don't do that without confirming the quality of your test. So creating a test automated, you're running a lot of bad tests, which causes you fixing your product is hard. So focus on quality. Feature sheet nobody uses. Yeah, it's a sad. So don't fix your product, fix the process. So stop creating bad products, only product. So this one came in. I showed you yesterday too. This is the Type Z automatic loom developed in 1924. It's a creating fabric. So it's great because if one of the threads is broken, it stops and call the operator. So if the thread is broken, so it's automatically stop and asking operator. So the one operator can take a look at so many of them. Or even the operator can go out for smoking or washroom. Before the loom, they were there, automatic one, it keeps going even though the thread is broken. Keep creating bad fabric. So operator should be watching the machine all the time. Even they cannot go to have a break. We have to shut down the loom and then start removing again. So stopping, observing is very important. Okay, if you have a very effective process right now, you're confident, then next phase is make it flow. Okay, we are confident about effectiveness, or should I say quality of your process. Okay, make it efficient. But it's by removing impediments, removing unnecessary process. Since you are working very hard to build quality, you now have the ability to check the quality. So this time you are removing unnecessary processes, unnecessary resources, unnecessary actions. But you already have the capability to check the quality. So that's why we can easily remove the process. So now this is where we focus on efficiency. But efficiency usually about the resource that created divided by resource inputted. So we do not focus to create more output. We really focus on decreasing input. We do less. Less actions, less resources, less time, less people. The fewer input, keeping the same quality output and quality output. So this idea is from TWI. Fortunately, copyright expired. You can download the TWI text, which is very old. It's 1942. Maybe it's still copyrighted in the US. But it's a very old text, but it's very good. It comes on the job instruction, how to teach new employees, new workers, how to do the work. And then job method, how to improve your process. And then last one is job relations, how your product affect with other process and other people. Sounds like Agile. So this was in the manufacturing factories of the US weapon factories during World War II. Yeah. It's a very stupid thing we did. Sorry for that, for the countries here. So, job method explained upper here is a little bit small. Described here. ECRS. Remember it. Eliminate something, which is the best improvement. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to use this. You don't have to use any resources, whatever. This is the best Kaizen. You can continue doing it. Just stop using it. The next one is combine. Let's do that together. We used to have acceptance testing by hand. So recently we created a CI system. Do integration all the time. Okay, combine testing, acceptance testing with TI, so that we don't care about it. So combining will reduce your workload. It's good. Rearrange is something we change the process order. You know that example here. Example in software. TDD and BDD. Try to run the acceptance test first. It greatly reduces the effort to understand the requirement. So rearrange it good. Then last one is simplify. We get the process very simple. So the purpose is to make your work easier and safer. That's good. So this time, never ever try to do it very fast. Don't do that. If you can continue doing ECRS, removing your resources, you will naturally accelerate. Since it's easy, you're a lightweight car. So you should be able to, you never feel that you're doing fast. But if you're doing the Kaizen very good manner, you find yourself, sometimes the manager of the other team came in. How come you can do that job that fast? The team itself, they can do very ordinary speed. Or maybe they feel that they are doing slowly. But the computer is very fast. So never feel you're doing very fast. Like a marathon, you feel very stressed with this energy. It is okay, it is a short sprint. Just before the deadline, or just before the trade show. It's sometimes okay, it's sometimes fun. But if you continue, you will destroy your health. That bad. So, if you do that Kaizen continuously, so you feel your work is so easy. You can expect, you can always deliver software. What happens? How many of you are engineers? Do you feel your ordinary work is so easy, you can routinely finish it? How do you feel? I know, don't worry about it. Engineer is engineer. I was one of it. So, now how your process works very smoothly. You're confident you can deliver. But you have, it's safe and easy, and you have, make it shorter, make it smaller. You have some extra time, extra resource. Since you are using less money, time, to deliver the same result, you have some extra time. What do you do? So try to create a very completely different process. You have time, you have resources. Like a continuous process change or change product definition. That happens. So it's time for fun, engineers. You can try new architecture. You can try a new platform. You can try to access a new customer. So since it's very safe, so try something crazy. That's what we love. Do you agree, engineers? We love doing crazy work. But since our current broken process was so crazy, we are losing energy. So recover your energy. But this time, never try to do it fast. You're doing pretty new, different process. It's like you're a teenager who got a motorbike. Never try to run fast. It's really dangerous. So carefully watch it. Effectiveness and quality matters. And then if you're doing some crazy experiment and you're confident that the new process, new customer, new product is better than the current one, let's move to the leak, fix the leak phase, the fast work. And then continue doing that work. So, if something is get wrong, get back to the phase before. Never ever try to do these three things at the same time. It's really dangerous. You don't know what you are doing. Improving the quality, improving the efficiency, create a new quality process. It's a completely different thing. Do it separately. Make sure that your team clearly understands what phases you're looking right now. Frankly speaking, some of the team in Toyoda can do these three things at the same time. Never try to mimic it. They can do it after a long time of training, experience, and practice. So, first thing, each one. Let's go. So, that's it. So, Kaizen is to make your work safer and easier. That makes your life better. You feel more energetic. Efficiency doesn't matter. If your Kaizen consultant came in talking about the efficiency of your team, fire him immediately. So Kaizen is all about making your life better. And then good quality team can create a good product. So these ROI thing, efficiency, other things are all set to. What we wanted, we create a good community, good group of people. It's the first one. And then as a result, I can tell effectiveness will be better, quality is good, and we have very good efficiency. That's a secondary target, not the first one. So, 10 minutes. What should I do? So, I'll be available around, so please let me know. And of course, I have a more interesting, what should I say, nastier workshop. If you're looking for the Kaizen things, I'm available. Thank you.